is this? What in the world?
My goodness, this is unusual. What? Is that an evening or what is this? Look at this. Like orange, dark and gloomy. So now there's a burning smell. Far away, gloomy. Since yesterday the sun is completely orange. Somebody told me yesterday that the news is saying that there's a forest fire in Canada, and then that's what makes it everything look, smell burning. Canadian jungle burnt sky. Wait, a smoked salmon and smoked tuna. Look at that. Goodness, it's been like this from last night. Look at that. What the? Hey, Tony X Zoom. What is that?